try this Grits Cafe. See what's going on with it. Let's see what we're gonna try. Let's see what they got out here. Thinking what you gonna get?
There's a lot of grits.
With a fish and grit. Too bad.
I might get
And it got shrimp. Ribeye omelet. Got it. Getting right with the shrimp. Okay, next is sausage side. Okay, hit.
ready.
Okay.
Grits, fried catfish.
Grits Cafe.
Yep.
How did y'all like it? Dynasty, how'd you like it?
I liked it the best.
What was your favorite part of your, well, you had shrimp. Did you really like your shrimp?
Yes, I did.
And
Yeah, sure.
It's sweet tea.
Next time.
It's like tea water. But pancake, okay, it was straight. Not too buttery, not too much sweetness. It's scrambled with cheese and there's a bee behind me, so I'm about to run. You cut that.
Oh no, you gotta keep that. You
So
can't run from the bee.
So look, the fish and grits. The fish was crispy, good. The grits, it's like a rotel dip or whatever. Like rotel grits or whatever. It was good. It had sausages and rotel in it or whatever. But it was it. It was good.
You always go with the Coke. You can't go wrong with the Coke. The Coke is always gonna hit the spot. I had the ribeye omelet on point. It was actual scrambled eggs that they made the omelet with. Actual ribeye that they cut up. Not like that industrial type stuff. So yeah, man, mine was on point. Pancake was not as good as I like it. It was soft and fluffy, nice and thick, but it just didn't have that buttery flavor that I like. The biscuit was on point though. Soft, fluffy.
And my food, I got the same thing my mom did with the fish and grits. It was really good. I really loved the grits. Like, they were bussin'.
Grits were top notch.
And
It is Grits Cafe.
overall, yes, it is. And overall, I say 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. So yeah. And just like that,
The start of our Saturday.
bye.